So last time I talked about how ChatGPT now has Zillow within it. So it's done through their software developer kit. So now the Zillow app is within ChatGPT. So a lot of people are going to start using ChatGPT to search for their homes, and you want to optimize for that. So we're going to go into that today. This also is a time, and the reason why I'm showing marketable moment, this is where you can set yourself apart from the competition out there because you are making your listings AI searchable friendly. So first, we're going to look at the different categories that people primarily search for when it comes to AI searches and their homes. They look for the location and proximity, views and orientation, outdoor living, architectural layout, system upgrades, lifestyle. Is it energy efficient? Does it have smart features? The community, accessibility features, recreation, and wellness. And all of this sounds great, but you need it in a prompt. And a prompt is going to ask it, hey, this is what I want you to look for. And the more that you put in the prompt, the more that you will get the information back. It's just like if you're dating someone and the first date, you're not going to go ahead and say, hey, let's spend $70,000 on the wedding. Let's actually get to know each other a little bit more. And you're doing that through asking questions. So the prompt is going to be very detailed. And let me just go up and show you the prompt on this. This is the prompt that you can use. Now, I have included this as a separate text document. So Samantha can go ahead and make that available to everyone. Or if you just want to reach out to me, I can give it to you as well. But this is the prompt that will get you that kind of information. It's really detailed in there. And it also, if you notice, it will give some guardrails on there too. It'll say, use fact-based keyword MLS research. Do not include listing agent's name. Do avoid walkable or within distance, follow the Fair Housing Act, that sort of thing. So you can put that, and that's in this prompt. So that way, when you know when it researches it, it'll go ahead and pull the information up. So I went ahead and did this on an address for a listing that I'll be having come up. And it goes ahead and puts it together. But then it asked me, what MLS system am I on? So it knows how to go ahead and orient everything the way it should be. What's a character limit? And this is where I made a mistake, and I'm going to show you that I actually said 500 characters. And then it asks any features or highlights. And so there's some things that I thought, yeah, it'd be great to highlight in the home. Hardwood floors, it has an upstairs deck, blah, blah, blah. So it put together an entire listing, 500 characters, a little bit less than that. And then I looked up and I realized, oh, I'm actually allowed 1,300 characters. Now remember, this is AI. So when you're interacting with AI, you don't have to start the whole thing all over again. So I just put in the prompt, hey, increase public remarks to 1,200 words or less. No problem. Here it is. Here is your Zillow Chat GPT optimized long form public remarks under 1,200 words written for CRMLS or listing site descriptions. And here it is all in there. Now, this is designed so when people are searching for a home and they're looking for key things, this is in the public remarks and this is where it's going to pick it up. Puts all those different things in there. It even tells you some of the different stores that are around there and so forth. And then it even automatically gave to me key optimization targets for AI search. Tells you all of that in there. Tells me the summary highlights. Oh, and would I like some more information? Well, yes, I would. So it gives me bullet points. It gives me SEO, which we're familiar with, but also gives me AI keyword tags now. So that way you can put that in there if you need to, and it'll automatically look for those sort of things. And it'll put that all together and it'll go ahead and give you even a little blurb at the bottom. But this is where you can differentiate yourself from other people out there. Just this morning, I was at a AI kind of training seminar, and the guy specializes in real estate. And he and I were chatting afterwards, and we were both saying that 90% of people out there are not going to be doing this. And so this is where you can leverage yourself to be different in the market because as you're listing a home, you can tell them that it's AI optimized searchable, and that will set you apart.